So I'm doing some drawer fronts here. I'm going to show you some things that I learned with the domino. It's very easy to get this precise machine and to be imprecise in how you use it. So it'll be tilted like this, so your domino will go into your piece at an angle. It's easy to have it cockeyed like that. So I'm going to show you what I do. Basically, I use these reference pins as much as possible. I put it on there like that and I hold it away from the workpiece. And then I roll into the piece like this. I'm rolling into it and I'm using this hand here to lift the back. And I'm using this hand here to keep the bottom tight to my workpiece, and I roll into it. And then when that dark shadow disappears and it's tight, that's when I go. I also try to make sure that I'm square this way before I do that. So I'll just show you how I do it. It's gonna get loud, I'm sorry. So that's what I do. Like I said, you can be off just a smidge and it throws everything out. So there is definitely a learning curve when it comes to using the domino. By the way, I'm using a vacuum pad from Dino at Kuros Carpentry. The thing is awesome, especially for doing stuff like this. If I'm doing a piece on edge like this, I'll do the same thing, but I'll hold my hand here and then roll into my cut, or roll into it till it touches and then plunge in. So I'm always starting with a reference that is firmly set. In this case, it's the bottom edge. In the case of this, it's the flat edge. So I push down tight, slide in, and rotate. But it's so easy with this machine to be imprecise. Like you'll go in, you'll think you're nice and square, but you'll be tilted like that, or you'll be tilted this way, or you'll be tilted that way. So it's extraordinarily important that you basically get it set, and that's set there on its own, and then you use your hand and slowly push in. That way I find the best results. Also, this thing keeps sticking in there. I don't know why. But just buying this machine will not make you precise. You need to learn how to use it. And even then you have mistakes. So the tool is only as precise as you are. Anyway, thanks for watching. These are fairly low production because I don't have time for production. I only have time for this type of production, which is slowing me down because you're watching. So thank you for watching, but get the heck out of here.